What's going on? It's Kevin J. Pino. This is my legendary marketer review coming up. Hey, again, my name is Kevin J. Pino. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I like to talk about affiliate marketing and getting an education online on how to learn to make money online, and also reviewing my favorite products, stuff like this. If you're interested in how to grow an online business and anything around building on the internet, make sure you grab the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you never miss a video. So I'm going to jump right into it. Let's see. Scroll down, get me out of the way. All right, we're starting off not at the beginning. We're starting off in the Marketers Club. The Marketers Club is a 30 bucks a month. It is it's a monthly subscription plan where you get trainings on marketing, copywriting, setting up ads, setting up funnels each Monday at 3 p.m. Eastern Central Time, whatever the time zone is. They're about an hour long. They're with the trainer Matt Heltzel. I've done a number of these live, and I think they're fantastic. They're super helpful for setting up my Facebook ads and just how I should set up my copy and whatnot, and giving me ideas on how to write better copy and persuasive, and also be compliant and stuff. Because Facebook, I didn't realize this, is a lot of stuff gets bounced because you miss like their policies. You can easily write something in a way where their algorithms are gonna reject it. You don't want to keep getting rejected, sorry. So there's a way you can write in your copywriting to develop your skills to persuade people without being like, make money go online or fast or anything. It's a real skill that can be applied anywhere. So we'll go over this real quick. What do you get for 30 bucks a month? Well, you get the Marketers Club training every week and all the replays. So right now there's 36 and it keeps growing every week. So it's 2,138 minutes right there of training, live trainings, and it's ongoing. Plus you get Kevin Harrington from Shark Tank, an interview with him. I keep looking over here. Sorry, the camera's over here. Mark Harbert's training on, I watched that training. Why am I forgetting that training? Oh, I gotta watch that training again. I believe it's on content creation. Nathan Lucas, his success, his journey to 250,000 subscribers, and a bunch of other trainings that come from their events and masterminds. We'll go over to the events and masterminds products over here. The mastermind. Oh, geez, I forgot. You get a coach who goes over everything with you. They have a brand builder, Marketers Club, or the Marketers Mastermind, Entrepreneurship Mastermind. This is where everyone meets and discusses their strategy of what they're doing to build, and you get to be one-on-one with Dave and all of his #1 top performers and help grow your business that way and network. They are the higher tiered products. They are expensive, but the value is there as you're building a giant network of successful people, surrounding yourself with them and learning from them, which can supercharge your business and get you off the ground going fast really quickly. Other products are the blueprints, where they teach you, let's see, they have live trainings, affiliate marketing, on how to build a business on that, how to build your own digital products. If you have a program that you're going to train, maybe you're a YouTube guy and you have a channel around building on YouTube and you want to make a private training, this course would teach you how to build that training and market that training and sell it and price it right. You can also do that with events, masterminds, if you're at a level where you want to take your business to that point where you're coaching and consulting, or having masterminds is also coaching and consulting. They'll teach you how to do that. And then the coaching and consulting is something, if you want to just get on the phone with people and help them grow their business, there's a training package for that as well. Let's go into my account, not my profile, my account. Oh, I'll go to the challenge. Back office. Hello, back office. This is the entry level product, the 15-day online business builder challenge, and it's only $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7. Okay, $7, you get 15 days of trainings They're anywhere from 20 minutes to an hour long. It starts out day one, they're going to go over the business model that he recommends and how you can build an online business, what to do and what not to do. Many people get into something called affiliate marketing, which I'm in, where they'll focus on low ticket products that are like, $10 products, and they're getting like $5 commissions. So you have to sell 1 million of the things to make a living. But there's also subscription plans that you can market and higher ticket things where you only need to make 1 or 2 sales to make the same amount you would make off the low ticket, selling thousands of them. So, good morning. Hi. Well, it's early in the morning. I film early in the morning. Let's see. So again, it's 15 days. You can keep going through these. The second day is the core 4, the best business models that you can use, which would be like coaching, consulting, affiliate marketing. Let's see, building your own digital products. I'm going to jump way out. I don't want to spoil the whole thing. High income skills that are not what you would do at your day job. I actually have a very specific job right now, my current day job. I do affiliate marketing on the side, and I'm an orthodontic technician. Now, it is a very technical skill. You have to know a lot about the mouth and the tools that you're working with. However, I wouldn't call it a high income skill. Something like copywriting is a high income skill. Copywriting is the ability to write persuasively, to get someone to do something, to take an action, to sell something. Sorry, that's a coffee maker in the background. We'll be done with that. Speaking of which, cheers. So this, the ability to present and sell is a high income skill, because, I don't have to pay you $12-15 an hour. You could make a commission that is worth $1,000. So not making income claims, but there are businesses where the commission is, you work, and by the time you close, it's been 1 hour and you've made $1,000. This helps you be aware of skills that you weren't aware of. I'm trying to go quick here. All right. I appreciate your time. I respect it. Let's see. One other thing that's really cool that they're going to do is not only teach you how to set up an autoresponder, an email autoresponder, they're going to walk you through in 30 minutes how to set up a sales funnel. A sales funnel it's a website that captures leads, promotes a product, and shows you how to upsell, downsell, and introduce you to new products. And they use right now ClickFunnels, and literally they're going to walk you through click by click how to set up a congruent, converting sales funnel within this. You're going to use ClickFunnels, and you're going to use ClickFunnels, and they're going to use a 14-day trial, so it's not going to cost you any money to go through that part of the training. But walking you through this is really the best part to get you started quickly, because you're doing it, you're clicking it, like you're going through the process, you're going to remember how to do it. And even if you can't remember, if you go in and have to do it again and start clicking around, it's going to trigger in your brain what comes next. So those are the products I'm familiar with. The 15-day online business builder challenge and the Marketers Club. I recommend both of them. They're very low, honestly, for the value you're getting. It's a very low cost. If you're skeptical, I understand, but what I want to do is I want to give you something for free. Down in the description below, I'll give you 2 offers, okay? You can either dive right into this, the 15-day online business builder challenge, at kevinjpino.com/success. That'll be the first link. It's $7. Try it out. You also get, did I mention you get several phone calls with a business coach to walk you through setting up your business and seeing what the right products are for you? That's included in the $7. You're still skeptical, you want to just look more into this. Below that, I'll give you a link to a free ebook by them that is on email marketing and the power of it and how you can use it in your business. All right, that's absolutely free. You don't even have to pay the $7. Those are down in the description below. And I have to say that I am an affiliate with this company. I chose to be an affiliate because of the value it offered me after going through this whole process myself. I think that it is a great place to start on the internet. There's a lot of stuff you can get for free, but none of it is organized and none of it is explained in depth on why you need to do it. And a lot of it isn't, click by click training. All right. That's what a lot of companies are missing. Also, they have a Facebook group that's private that you can jump in every day and ask for advice. They have private groups for the upsell stuff, for the the higher ticket products, where it's just those people that are in those groups. And they also give you 5 days a week at 10 a.m. Eastern time a motivational Zoom phone call where everyone can log in and they'll talk about a topic to handle it, answer some questions. And every Friday they'll give you a free training, all included, if you just join this and get into this group. And I want to close it out now. And what I'm going to do is point this way. I always point the wrong way. And I'm actually on the wrong side of the screen. And there's going to be another video, check it out, recommended to you by YouTube. Go ahead, check it out. Make sure to subscribe to this channel to get more content. And if you like this review, make sure you show it by clicking the like button. See you later.